pitch classes. The concept of a pitch class often confuses people, but I'm going to try and make it really simple. Pitch classes help us organize notes into particular categories. All of the C's belong to one pitch class. So if I go to my piano, this C, this C, this C, this C, and this C, they're all part of the same pitch class. We'd call it pitch class C. All the D's belong to another. So all the D's belong to the D pitch class. A C sharp, however, even though it has the note C on it, it's not a C. Here's a C. Here's a C sharp. So a C sharp would belong to its own pitch class since it consists of a distinct tone. And I know even advanced musicians who get confused by this and think that all C's, whether they're sharp or flat, are the same pitch class. But that's not true. A pitch class has to be separated by an octave in something that we know as octave equivalence. Another topic we'll talk about at a later time. But a C sharp would belong to its own pitch class because it consists of a distinct tone. Think of pitch classes as keys that match on the piano. Can you identify every note in the C pitch class on the piano? Start with the bottom and point to each C before you see the answer. You only have about 1 second per note, so think fast, starting now. Where is the first C? Point to it, and then move up before I show you where each C is on the piano. Third one coming. Number 4 is coming. Find number 5, number 6, number 7, and the top one. Okay, that was a little bit easy because you actually see the numbers listed for each pitch class, but the idea here is that you should become comfortable with identifying the basic pitch classes. We don't generally go this low in music. That's pretty low. But we do want to still know that that would be a C1 all the way at the bottom of the staff system in the bass clef. It is actually below the staff system. So how did you do? Interestingly, all octave registers begin with C and end on B, which might seem counterintuitive since you might expect them to start on A. Once you feel confident you know where all the C's are, you are ready to begin your next exercise.